terminal detection function. Let me show you. The product is not be compressed. The machine must be started on the production page. You see, I'm starting the machine with not being pressed, and its alarm indicates the product is not being pressed, and it didn't meet my lower limit. That means he didn't press anything. Let me start it again in the same position, and we crimp it double. Now it gives an alarm. The alarm is available for the situation where the product is pressed repeatedly, overpressed, and not being pressed. It is very humanization.